So when you say Pygmalion effect here, higher expectations lead to an increase in performance. So the expectation becomes a reality. Para din siyang manifesting, di ba? Hashtag manifest. Okay, so that's your Pygmalion effect or self-fulfilling prophecy. No? So now, your Pygmalion effect, very important na malaman natin na parehas din po sila ng Rosenthal effect. Parehas lang po yan, no? Kasi baka binigyan kayo ng situation sa inyong licensure exam for teachers, wala yung Pygmalion effect, wala yung self-fulfilling prophecy. Ngayon, yung inyong po magiging sagot would be your Rosenthal effect. Parehas lang po sila. No? So Rosenthal effect, Pygmalion effect, or self-fulfilling prophecy. Yung pangalan po ng scientist or pangalan po ng proponent, no? Proponent, yung nag-study po, yung kanya pong apelido was Rosenthal. Bakit po siya tinawag na Pygmalion effect? Kasi ayon po sa Greek mythology, si Pygmalion po, he fell in love with the sculpture that he made. Para hindi po natin makalimutan, ito po yung ating mnemonics, no? Ito po yung ating mnemonic right here. I want the rose and pig for myself. Ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Rosenthal effect, Pygmalion effect, no? Self-fulfilling prophecy. Myself. Self-fulfilling prophecy is the same as your Rosenthal effect and your Pygmalion effect.